Welcome to User Input Flow and Custom Fields tutorial. To access this feature, click on Messenger Bot, located on the left sidebar menu, under the Messenger Tools section. Navigate to the Instagram section and look for User Input Flow and Custom Fields and then click on the action link. You will immediately see two tools. First, User Input Flow Campaign. Second, Custom Fields. Let's see each of them. First, User Input Flow Campaign. Clicking this tool will redirect you to a page that has all the flows created so far. To create a new flow, click on the New Flow button at the top of the page. You will be redirected to a form to create a User Input Flow campaign. First, input a campaign name. Then choose the Instagram account. As you can see, there is a form builder space area on the left, and multiple fields on the right. The right side form includes free keyboard input fields, and multiple choice field. The free keyboard input contains fields like email, phone, text, number, URL, file, image, video, date, time and date time. Clicking on any fields on the right will automatically insert their form details on the left form builder area. You are provided with a space to put your question and a setting button. On the question field space, insert a question with the intention of receiving users' details related to the field selected. It is also possible to set up a multiple choice questions using this multiple choice field. And clicking on the field setting button will open a modal pop-up with a number of settings. First, choose a reply type. Next, choose a custom field you would like to save into. Then similarly, you can choose a system field to save this reply into. Next, you can see Assign to Labels field area. You can choose labels within the field provided if you have created them before. If you choose labels, then when the user replies to this field, they will be added to those labels. That will help you to segment your leads and run broadcasting messages from Messenger Broadcaster. If you don't want to add labels, then just keep it blank as it is. Next, you can assign a messenger sequence. Users will be added to a drip or sequence messenger campaign when they reply to this field. Keep it blank if you don't want to set any sequence campaign. Similarly, you can choose to assign an email or phone sequence. Users will be added to this sequence campaign when they reply to this field. Keep it blank if you don't want to set any sequence campaign. Then, you can provide a skip button text. With this option, you can allow users to click on this skip button to proceed to the next step without providing a reply. Next, you have a button that will allow you to remove this question field entirely. After inserting and setting up the form fields you needed, you need to select a final postback reply template. Or you can create a new one by clicking on the Add button here. To finish and save the campaign, click on the Submit button here. You will see a pop-up that displays success. Campaign has been created successfully. Click on the OK button and you will be redirected to the list of your saved campaigns. From the action column here, you can see the campaign report, export the flow data, edit the campaign and delete the campaign options. Let's go back and see how to create custom fields. Navigate to the User Input Flow and Custom Fields section. Then click on the Action button and then click on the Custom Field tool. Here, you will see all lists of custom fields. To create a new custom field, click on the New Custom Field button at the top. A pop-up will appear instantly. First, provide a custom field name and then select a reply type. Then, click on the Save button to create the custom field. The custom field will be saved instantly in the background. You can create more custom fields without leaving this window. Close this to see the lists of created custom fields. Alright, that's it for user input flow and custom fields tutorial.